好，大家好啊！咁咧今日就想同大家睇呢篇 Dietary Guidelines for Americans。咁呢個咧近年咧近期咧都係好熱門啦。咁咧呢10版嘅 PDF file 咧就想同大家睇一睇啦，學一堂英文啦。我話呢個咧個金字塔就係protein、dairy and healthy fats 喺上面啦，下面就 whole grains，上面亦都有 vegetables and fruits 啦。我呢度講一講呢個 message 講咩啦。These guidelines mark the most significant reset of mineral nutrition policy in our nation's history. To make America healthy again, we must return to the basics. American households must prioritize diets built on whole, nutrient-dense foods, protein, dairy, vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and whole grains. Pair with a dramatic reduction in highly processed foods laden with refined carbohydrates, added sugars, excess sodium, unhealthy fats, and chemical additives. This approach can change the healthy trajectory for so many Americans. The United States is amid a health emergency. 99% of healthcare spending goes to treating people who have chronic diseases. Many of these illnesses are not genetic destiny. They're the particular result of the standard American diet, a diet which, over time, has become reliant on highly processed foods and coupled with a sedentary lifestyle. The consequences have been devastating. More than 9% of American adults are overweight or obese. Nearly 1 in 3 American adolescents between the ages of 12 and 17 has prediabetes. Diet-driven chronic disease now disqualifies large numbers of young Americans from military service, undermining national readiness and cutting off a historic pathway to opportunity and upward mobility. For decades, federal incentives have promoted low-quality, highly processed foods and pharmaceutical intervention instead of prevention. This crisis is the result of poor policy choices, inadequate nutrition research, and the lack of coordination across federal, state, local, and private sectors. These changes today. We are relying our food system to support American farmers, rangers, and communities who grow and produce real food, and the Trump administration is working to ensure all families can afford it. We are putting real food back at the center of the American diet, real food that nourishes the body, real food that restores health, real food that fuels energy and encourages movement and exercise, real food that builds strength. Under President Trump's leadership, we are restoring common sense, scientific integrity, and accountability to federal food and health policy, and we are reclaiming the food pyramid and returning it to its true purpose of educating and nourishing all Americans. These guidelines call every American to eat more real food. They call on farmers, rangers, health care professionals, insurers, educators, community leaders, industry, and lawmakers across all levels of government to join in this critical effort. Together, we can shift our food system away from chronic disease and toward nutrient density, nourishment, resilient, and long-term health. America's future depends on what we grow and what we serve and what we choose to eat. This is the foundation that will make America healthy again. 好，我哋繼續睇下佢詳細內容啦。Eat the right amount for you. The calories you need depend on your age, sex, height, weight, and level of physical activity. Pay attention to portion sizes, particularly for foods and beverages higher in calories。即係話唔好飲啲有糖嘅飲料啦。Hydration is a key factor in overall health. Choose water, still or sparkling, and unsweetened beverages。都係要飲多啲水啦。飲水對整體健康好緊要啦。可以飲有氣嘅水啦 ，sparkling。Prioritize protein foods at every meal。呢個就係呢個倒轉金字塔啦，今次比較重要嘅一部分啦。佢講到咧蛋白質咧係每餐嘅重點啊。Prioritize high quality nutrient dense protein foods as part of a healthy diet. Consume a variety of protein foods from animal sources, including eggs, poultry。poultry 呢個字係解家禽啊 poultry 跟住seafood and red meat as well as a variety of plant-sourced protein foods, including beans, peas, lentils, legumes, nuts, seeds and soya。好，咁跟住呢個 lentils 係呢度 lentils 都係豆啦，仲有 legumes 都係啲豆嘅嘢啦。Swap deep-fried cooking methods with baked, broiled, roasted, stir-fried, and grilled cooking methods。咁呢兩個字都係有 R 音喺入邊 ，broiled、grilled 都係解燒啊、烤啊呢啲方法，就唔好 deep-fried，即係煎炸。Consume meat with no or limited added sugars, refined carbohydrates or starches, or chemical additives. With preferred flavor with salt, spices。呢個 spices 即係嗰啲香料啦 ，and herbs。Protein serving goals 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, adjusting as needed based on your individual calorie requirements。如果你一個人係70 kg 度，就大概食800克嘅 protein。好，咁上面睇先，仲有冇啊？跟住呢一版啊，consume dairy。When consuming dairy, include full-fat dairy with no added sugars。飲多啲牛奶係好嘅。Dairy is an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals。同埋係可以啲脂肪其實全脂係冇問題。Dairy serving goals 3 servings per day as part of a 2000 calorie dietary pattern, adjusting as needed based on your individual calorie requirements。咁可以飲三盒份奶嘅一日。Gut health， 哇！呢度有幾個字啊？Your gut contains trillions of bacteria and other microorganisms called the microbiome。biome 呢個字咧就係解microbiome biome 微生物群組。A healthy diet supports a well-balanced microbiome and healthy digestion. Highly processed foods can disrupt this balance, while vegetables, fruits, fermented foods。呢度介紹幾種發酵食物啦。呢度呢個字係解sauerkraut sauerkraut，我呢個都唔識係酸泡菜啦。sauerkraut kimchi 啦，跟住kefir 呢個 kefir 酸奶酸乳酒。咁同埋最後呢度miso 係麵豉啦，日本豆麵醬味噌。OK， and high fiber food supply diverse microbiome, which may be beneficial for health。都係好高纖啦，同埋好高呢個嘅係啦，呢啲叫做微生物嘅食物都係好有益嘅。Throughout the day， Eat vegetables and fruits throughout the day. Eat a variety of colorful, nutrient-dense vegetables and fruits. Eat whole vegetables and fruits in their original form. Wash thoroughly prior to eating raw or cooking. Frozen, dried, and canned vegetables or fruits with no or very limited added sugars can also be good options. If preferred, flavor with salt, spices and herbs。呢度都係講話食多啲菜啦。跟住呢度咧 thoroughly 咧 thoroughly 即係好完整咁樣洗 thoroughly 洗乾淨晒嗰啲菜啦。咁呢個美式個發音唔同嘅 thoroughly thoroughly， 但係英式就係 thoroughly 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 OK。好啊，另外就係其實如果係雪凍冷藏嘅或者係乾嘅或者係罐頭嘅蔬菜，其實咧冇乜添加糖都 OK。100% fruit or vegetable juice should be consumed in limited portions or diluted with water。咁如果菜汁或者果汁其實都偶然去飲都 OK 嘅。diluted with water 咧即係要加水啦。Vegetables and fruits serving goes for a 2,000 calorie dietary pattern. Adjust as needed based on your individual calorie requirements. 菜就3份啦 ，3 servings per day. Fruits 2 servings per day， 2個生果啦。Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats are plentiful in many whole foods, such as meat, poultry, eggs, omega-3 rich seafood, nuts, seeds, full fats, dairy, olives, and avocados。avocado 即係牛油果啦可以睇一睇呢個avocado 嗰個嘅 avocado avocado 牛油果啦。留意咧呢度講咧嗰個海鮮咧都係 omega-3 豐富嘅 omega-3 啦同埋其實如果係奶類製品咧，如果係全脂其實都好好嘅脂肪。When cooking with added fats to meals, prioritize oils with essential fatty acids, such as olive oil. Other options can include butter or beef. 呢個詞咧係解動物性油脂 tallow動物性油脂tallow。咁呢度解係牛肉嘅油脂咯beef tallow。咁同埋佢就話煮熟啦，煮飯咧最好嗰個油咧都係用essential fatty acids such as olive oil。咁佢應該就唔建議其他植物油嘅。In general, saturated fat consumption should not exceed 10% of total daily calories。咁呢度咧其實都個指引咧，雖然話可以食脂肪啦咁樣，但係咧佢都話唔可以超過飽和脂肪唔可以超過10%嘅。Significantly limiting highly processed foods can help meet this goal. More high-quality research is needed to determine which types of dietary fats best support long-term health。咁呢度佢就話其實可能脂肪個研究咧，雖然依家就都話飽和脂肪係 OK 啦，咁但係佢就話其實都要再做啲研究睇下，其實係邊一種脂肪係對身體最好咯。Focus on whole grains， 咁呢度咧就係講澱粉質啦。Prioritize fiber-rich whole grains. Significantly reduce the consumption of highly processed refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, ready-to-eat or packaged breakfast options. Flour tortillas 即係薯片啊嘛，呢啲咧 tortilla，tortilla，tortilla，唔好意思啊，tortilla唔係 tortilla，tortilla，咁都係冇益嘅啲嘢都係啊。咁你睇翻啲圖咧，都係講緊呢啲啦，都係講緊呢啲 tortilla 啦，烤嘅。tortilla 係烤餅。Okay, whole grain serving goes 2 to 4 servings per day, adjusting as needed based on your individual calorie requirements。所以都係唔好食咁多餅啦，呢啲早餐啦，特登呢啲啊。呢一版咧就係講緊食菜啦，食水果啦，咁啫。Limit highly processed foods, added sugars, and refined carbohydrates. Avoid highly processed, packaged, prepared, ready-to-eat or other foods that are salty or sweet, such as chips, cookies, and candy that have added sugars and sodium salt. Instead, prioritize nutrient-dense foods and home-prepared meals. When dining out, choose nutrient-dense options. Limit foods and beverages that include artificial flavors, petroleum-based dyes, artificial preservatives, and low-calorie, non-nutritive sweeteners. Avoid sugar-sweetened beverages such as sodas, fruit drinks, and energy drinks. While no amount of added sugars or non-nutritive sweetener is recommended or considered part of a healthy or nutritious diet。我呢個我睇下呢個 nutritious 應該讀係啦 nutritious 係細聲啲先 nutritious diet。One meal should contain no more than 10 grams of added sugars。原來 sugars 咧就係要食少啲啦，呢度講話係嘛？咁我哋要好多嘢咧，我留意 sugars 呢個字咧，佢係 countable 嘅。sugars 其實係一個 uncountable 又得，但係 countable 亦都得。咁呢度就話唔好加啲添加糖啦，唔好。咁佢用 countable 嘅，一粒粒咁樣計。咁呢度就話其實代糖都唔好啦，都唔健康啦。咁跟住佢就話即係就算你真係有一啲天然糖咁樣啦，one meal should contain no more than 10 grams of added sugars。咁佢就話其實咁雖然唔應該食啦，但係如果真係有添加糖要食，都唔好超過10 grams。While synthetic snack foods added sugar limits should follow FDA healthy claim limits. For example, grain snacks, for example crackers, should not exceed 5 grams of added sugar per over 4 ounce whole grain equivalent. And dairy snacks, for example yogurt, should not exceed 2.5 grams of added sugar per 2/3 cup equivalent。呢個就話即係如果你真係揀零食咧，因為其實好多啲加工食物啦，咁好多時都係啲零食啊、汽水嗰啲啦，咁佢就話都係有啲零食可能話自己相對較為健康啦，例如 green snacks、穀物嘅 snacks 啦，咁佢都唔好有超過5 grams added sugar。咁就即係如果係3/4安入邊就唔好超過5 gram 啦。咁跟住2/3yogurt， 2/3杯都唔好超過2.5 grams 嘅 added sugar。我留意呢度 sugar 有時候唔加 S 嘅，幫我讀埋一段啦。Added sugars to help identify sources of added sugars, look for ingredients that include the word sugar syrup or any oils. 咁呢度都好緊要嘅，因為好多時啲食物咧，佢唔一定係 sugar 呢個字嘅，佢可能有 syrup 或者唔知乜嘢呢度 fructose 啊、glucose 啊、fructose 啊、dextrose 啊、sucrose 啊呢啲啊。其實就算蔗糖 cane sugar 都唔好嘅。Added sugars may appear on ingredient labels under many different names, including high fructose corn syrup。咁呢個好常見啦，係咪啊？High fructose corn syrup。咁如果中文咧，通常譯做高果糖漿，非常之唔健康。Agave syrup 呢個比較少見啦，粟米糖啦，rye syrup、fructose、glucose、dextrose、sucrose、cane sugar、beet sugar、soybean sugar、maltose、lactose、fruit juice concentrate、honey and 我真係唔識讀啊呢啲字，糖蜜啊，甜味劑嚟嘅都真係好多。總之糖其實就係唔 OK 嘅啦，糖漿 molasses thick dark brown liquid that is produced during the process of making sugar used in cooking. Examples of nutritive sweeteners include aspartame 呢個好出名啦，呢個咧就係咧冇營養嘅甜味劑啦。咁頭先話好多時呢啲嘅添加糖，咁但係仲有一啲係甜味劑咧，就係呢啲致癌㗎啦。之前新聞都講嘅阿斯巴甜致癌㗎呢隻已經改咗啦，已經人工糖呢啲真係代糖就係絲毫嗰個糖，但係睇下字典有冇寫先。應該字典冇喎，可能仲未入字典啊，或者 search 下呢個 Cambridge 有喎，aspartame 阿斯巴甜啊 aspartame 個重音喺第一音啊 aspartame OK 嗱識多個字啦。跟住呢啲咧，呢啲有時見到呢種代糖啦，係咪？咁呢種代糖都係點讀咧？字典直情冇添啊！直情冇嘅字典已經。跟住呢啲我都好少見，我都唔識嘅，我唔熟啦。冇糖醇咁呢就真係睇翻佢點樣發音啊呢個字但係如果你話字典就好似暫時揾唔到啦。六安醇，咁你可以睇下呢支字典嘅，睇下點發音嘅。Xylitol OK. Some foods and drinks such as fruits and plain milk have naturally occurring sugars。咁當然奶同埋水果係有糖㗎啦。The sugars in these foods are not considered added sugars。咁記住啦，咁有啲天然嘅糖咧就冇話咧係唔可以食嘅，好嘛？咁呢版就講到呢度先。飲品呢一版啊 ，limit alcoholic beverages。Consume less alcohol for better overall health。咁梗係飲少啲酒啦。People who should completely avoid alcohol include pregnant women, people who are recovering from alcohol use disorder and are unable to control the amounts they drink, and people taking medications or with medical conditions that can interact with alcohol. For those with a family history of alcoholism, be mindful of alcohol consumption and associated addictive behaviors。addictive 即係呢個嘅上癮啦 ，addictive。sodium 啦，sodium 即係鹽分啦。OK，sodium and Electrolytes are essential for hydration. 好 electrolytes 呢個就係電解質啦。electrolyte 咁呢度就講話 essential for hydration 啦。General population ages 14 or above should consume less than 2,300 mg per day of sodium. Highly active individuals may benefit from increased sodium intake to offset sweat losses. 咁其實如果成日要流浪嗰啲人，當然係可以飲多啲電解質嘅，同埋鹽分啦，補充翻。For children, the recommendations vary by age. Ages 1 to 3, less than 1,200 mg per day. Ages 4 to 8, less than 1,500 mg per day. Ages 9 to 13, less than 1,800 mg per day. Highly processed foods that are high in sodium should be avoided. 咁如果好啲零食嗰啲咧，過度加工嗰啲食物咧，好鹹嗰啲就一定要避免喺度。好，我哋有時間就會唔會睇多版咧？我哋仲有2版啦，有3版係嚟緊嗰4版都係講啲即係唔同組別嘅人士嘅，咁我哋就下一次再講啦。Special populations and considerations. Infancy and early childhood, birth to 4 years old. For about the first 6 months of life, feed your baby only breast milk. When breast milk is not available, feed your baby iron fortified infant formula. Fortified. What does that mean, fortified? Fortified. Okay, yeah. Infant iron fortified infant formula. Continue breastfeeding as long as mutually desired by mother and child for 2 years or beyond. If feeding or supplementing your baby with infant formula, stop feeding your baby infant formula at 12 months of age and give them whole milk. So 即係話11歲就要俾全脂奶，就唔好再試奶粉。All breastfed infants as well as infants who consume less than 32 ounces of infant formula per day should receive a daily whole vitamin D supplement of 400 IU starting shortly after birth. Consult your healthcare professional about vitamin D supplement。咁呢個咧，即係話原來 BB 仔咧，佢如果係飲牛奶咧，原來要食呢個，或者佢係少配方奶咧，都要食呢個補充劑。呢個我都真係未聽過。即係話食人奶反而其實唔係好有營養咯，如果會唔會？Some infants require iron supplementation. Talk with your healthcare professional about iron supplementation. At about 6 months of age, infants may begin to have solid foods. It's crucial to continue breastfeeding or formula feeding while solids are introduced. 咁即係話其實如果你食固體食物咧，6歲都可以食固體食物，或者係即係食魚糊粥仔咁樣啦。咁佢就話都要繼續飲奶咯。Breast milk or infant formula continues to be the main source of nutrition for your infants up to 12 months of age. 咁其實要飲到1歲嘅。If your infant is at high risk for peanut allergy due to the presence of severe action 呢個字啊，即係濕場。eczema eczema 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 係濕疹。And for allergy, talk with a healthcare professional about peanut introduction as early as 4 to 6 months。即係話，如果係花生敏感或者蛋敏感或者係即係其他，即係因為濕疹咧，而頭先話呢度寫濕疹啊嘛，而導致嘅敏感啦，咁就要早啲同醫生講4 至6個月嘅時候。This can be done by mixing a small amount of peanut butter with breast milk or formula, cleaning it to a safe consistency, and feeding it by spoon。咁我就話都要去揾啲花生醬啦，喺啲人買度啦。咁 cleaning it to a safe consistency， 跟住要用匙羹。咁啊 cleaning 即係話令佢好細。稀釋佢，cleaning 呢個㗎，咁 cleaning 可以係解瘦啦，但係如果係解problem 呢度就睇下乜方 cleaning make a substance less thick, often by adding a liquid to it. Clean something down， 即係clean the sauce down when you do stop clean it down。令到佢冇咁臭啊，冇咁結啊。In safe consistency. For infant with mild or moderate eczema， 呢個頭先教嘅呢個字係 eczema。Introduce peanut-containing foods at around 6 months of age。咁如果有少少濕疹咧，都可以係6歲就要有花生類嘅食物啊，6歲嘅時候。咁就總之要適應食花生。Introduce potentially allergenic food， 即係話allergenic 即係話致敏嘅 allergenic food。allergenic food。Introduce potentially allergenic foods including nut butters, eggs, shellfish, and meat。即係有機會導致致敏嘅食物啦，with other complementary foods at about 6 months。Ask your infant's healthcare professional about the risk for food allergies and safe ways to introduce these foods. Infants should receive a diverse range of nutrient-dense foods in appropriate textures, while avoiding nutrient-poor and highly processed foods. Examples of nutrient-dense foods to introduce during the complementary feeding period include meat, poultry and seafood, vegetables and fruits, full-fat yogurt and cheese。咁佢就話即係BB 仔嘅時候，咁其實要開始佢要食唔同營養嘅食物啦。咁所以咧就咩叫做有營養嘅食物咧？食肉啦、菜啦、芝士啦、whole grains 全物啦。咁 full fat yogurt 啦 ，yogurt 即係乳酪啦 ，yogurt。咁英式發音就係 yogurt， 美式就係 yogurt， 嗰個音啊 yogurt， 但係英式就yogurt。Legumes 上次介紹過啦，呢度 legumes 即係豆類 experience. Enjoy the parent. Not just sit containing foods prepared in a safe, even appropriate form. 咁又你條件就係啱食嘅豆啦。Avoid added sugars during infancy and early childhood。唔好有加工加糖嘅食物啦，好重要。Hello，我繼續啦。Introducing food to infants and toddlers. Every child is different. Look for these signs that your child is developmentally ready to begin eating food. Tease up not alone with support. Can control their head and neck. Tries to grasp small objects such as toys or food. Brings objects to their mouth. Opens their mouth when food is offered. Moves food from the front to the back of the tongue to swallow. Swallows food instead of pushing it back out onto the chin. Parents and caregivers can encourage healthy eating by offering new foods multiple times. It may take 8 to 10 exposures. 我呢個字係查啦。Exposure, exposure, 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 exposures。留意咧，佢嗰個係 exposure, exposure 就唔係 exposure, exposure. Before a young child is willing to try new food, and by modeling healthy eating behaviors. Middle childhood, 5 to 10 years. Focus on whole nutrient-dense foods such as protein foods, dairy, vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and whole grains. Full-fat dairy products are important for children to help meet energy needs and support brain development. Avoid caffeinated beverages. Caffeinated 大家都知係咖啡因。Caffeinated. No amount of added sugars is recommended. Make cooking meals fun and a regular part of the household's routine. Adolescence, 11 to 18 years. Adolescence is a rapid growth period with increased needs for energy, protein, calcium, and iron, especially for girls due to menstruation 就係月經啦。menstruation. Adequate calcium and vitamin D are vital for peak bone mass. Adolescents should eat nutrient-dense foods such as dairy, leafy 即係多菜啊 leafy greens and iron-rich animal foods, while significantly limiting sugary drinks and energy drinks and avoiding highly processed foods. When access to nutrient-rich foods is limited, fortified foods or supplements may be needed under medical guidance. 即係話，如果真係唔可以成日食嗰啲有營養嘅食物咧，咁其實 fortified foods 或者係營養補充劑咧都值得去食嘅。fortified 加強嘅都要醫生指引啦。Encourage adolescents to become active participants in food shopping and cooking so they can learn how to make healthy food choices for life. Young adults following the dietary guidelines will support optimal health during this period, including reducing risk of the onset or progression of chronic disease and supporting other aspects of health. The brain continues to mature during young adulthood, while the most significant increases in bone density occur during adolescence. Optimizing bone health to achieve peak bone mass and peak bone strength is essential. Additionally, following the dietary guidelines can support reproductive health for both women and men, with special emphasis on healthy fats, iron, and 呢個字真係水溶性纖維、葉酸and 葉酸呢度 folate for women and healthy fats and protein for men， 所以我哋就要食呢個葉酸啦維他命 B。OK，folate pregnant women pregnancy increases nutrient needs to support maternal health and fetal growth 唔胚胎fetal growth with iron folate and iodine as top priorities. Pregnant women should consume diverse nutrient-dense foods, including iron-rich meats, folate-rich greens, and legumes. 呢個係咩？蛋鹼啊！我咩嚟？呢個真係呢個睇先，膽鹼呢字典都冇啊！真係膽鹼，即係話即係佢意思，即係話嗰個牛奶入邊有，唔係雞蛋入邊有呢個膽鹼。OK， 但係即係睇下中文啦，蛋黃啊Choline-rich eggs, calcium-rich dairy, and no mercury, omega-3-rich seafood, salmon, sardines。跟住呢個係咩魚啊？我哋津魚 trout 津魚啊trout津魚 OK。好。Women should talk to the healthcare professional about taking a daily vitamin during pregnancy. 產前 prenatal 產前 OK， 跟住啦，呢個係解泌乳餵奶。Lactation increases energy and nutrient needs to support milk production and maternal health. Breastfeeding women should consume a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods, including vitamin B12-rich protein sources such as meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy, omega-3-rich seafood, folate-rich legumes, and vitamin A-rich vegetables. Women should talk to the healthcare professional about whether dietary supplements may be needed while breastfeeding. Okay, other adults. Some older adults need fewer calories but still require equal or greater amounts of key nutrients, such as protein, vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium. To meet these needs, they should prioritize nutrient-dense foods such as dairy, meat, seafood, eggs, legumes, and whole plant foods, vegetables and fruits, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. When dietary intake or absorption is insufficient, fortified foods under medical supervision. Individuals with chronic disease following the dietary guidelines can help prevent the onset or slow the rate of progression of chronic disease, especially cardiovascular disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Liver and chronic disease Talk with your healthcare professional to see if you need to adapt the dietary guidelines to meet your specific needs. Individuals with certain chronic diseases may experience improved health outcomes when following a lower carbohydrates diet. Work with a healthcare professional to identify and adopt a diet that is appropriate for you and your health condition. Vegetarians and vegans consume a variety of whole foods, especially protein-rich foods such as dairy, eggs, beans, peas, lentils, legumes, nuts, seeds, tofu, and tempeh. Significantly limit highly processed vegan or vegetarian foods that can include added fats, sugars, and salt. Pay careful attention to potential nutrient gaps when consuming a vegetarian or vegan diet. Vegetarian diets often fall short in vitamins D and E, choline, and iron, whereas vegan diets show broader shortfalls in vitamins D, E, B, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, and protein. Monitor nutrient status periodically, especially for iron, vitamin B, vitamin D, calcium, and iodine. To avoid nutrient gaps, prioritize targeted supplementation, diversify plant protein sources for amino acid balance, and enhance mineral bioavailability through food preparation techniques. 好，到咗呢度。